Friends, this is Kaushal Kishor. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Past tense, Bhutkal. What is past tense? In this part, we study about work finished in past time is called past tense. इस भाग में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कि काम भूतकाल में समाप्त होता था, उसे भूतकाल कहते हैं. There are 4 parts of past tense. 4 प्रकार के भूतकाल होते हैं. Past simple or indefinite tense, सामान्य भूतकाल. Past continuous or imperfect tense, अपूर्ण भूतकाल. Past perfect tense, पूर्ण भूतकाल. Past perfect continuous tense, पूर्ण अपूर्ण भूतकाल. Example: I went to the market, मैं बाजार जाता था. I was going to the market, मैं बाजार जा रहा था. I had gone to the market, मैं बाजार जा चुका था. I had been going to the market for 2 hours, मैं 2 घंटे से बाजार जा रहा था.